local company gave away a new car this afternoon. Buchanan Hauling and Rigging started a contest back in April. To enter it, you had to sign on as a driver for the company or refer someone who was going to sign. Well, the drawing was today, and Sean Collins won the car. Company leaders consider this contest a success.
We wanted something to spur some interest in Buchanan Hauling and incentivize drivers to come to drive for us. So we started the competition back in April, and we've been real happy with it. It's been very successful.
Before the contest, the company had 178 drivers. Now it is up to 238.